You get your hands in it, plant your roots in it, dusty headlights, sit with your boots in it. Dang. You write your name on it, spin your tires on it, build your favorite Richie bonfires on it, your life on it. It's that real-shaped red glass clay grew up on a pile of ground that your dad that was luck on a post-game party field they circle up on. Rearrange you can stuck on. Drip a cloud back behind County Road as he run up a bird off of jeans as he fell up a run up a blue rise from a town smile so good that it hurts. Makes you wanna build a 10% now. Why picket fence house on this dirt? You know he's red with it. Take you short to it. Sticks of massive is insane. Me oh so used to it. It came from it. Someday you'll return to it. Shaped like red rust clay grew up on a pile of ground that your dad that was luck on a post-game party field they suckle up on. Rearrange you can stuck on. Trip a cloud back behind County Road as she run up a mud off of jeans as she will run up a blue rice summertime smile so good that it hurts. Makes you wanna build a 10% down. Why picket fence house on this dirt? You know you came from it. And someday you'll return to it. Shell-shaped red rust clay grew up on the pile of ground that your dad never look on a post-game party. He'll leave circle up on. Rearrange you can stuck on. Trip a cloud back behind County Road as she run off a mud off a jeans as she fell up front up a blue rock. My time smell looks so good that it hurts. Makes you wanna build a 10% down. Might picket fence house on this dirt. If you wanna build a 10% down, why picket fence house on this dirt? You know you came from it. Someday you return to it.